When I drive a motorcycle, I feel free, I feel light, I feel in control. It's like being on a rocket. I think the first time I fell in love with going fast, I think it was when, I can't remember how young it was, but it was when my dad used to pick me up. My parents were divorced when I was 2, and my dad used to come and collect me and take me for the weekend, and he was always driving fast, so and I used to love it. I'm very proud, you know, it's never in a million years firstly thought I would be in Formula 1, and to spend time detailing this bike. And I like to, the people that I work with, I like to challenge them, as well as them challenge me, but I like to challenge them into doing things with them before. It's been a real good process with this bike.